I've got a delicious sponge cake recipe for you with carpathian cream, jelly, and fruit. The precise quantity of ingredients, as always, can be found in the description below the video. New viewers, of course, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. We're going to start by beating egg whites with sugar. Prepare 4 egg whites and 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Add the sugar in batches. Pause for a moment, then add the next batch of sugar. You can add it half a tablespoon at a time to avoid dumping too much at once. Slow down the mixer speed, then add the egg yolks, after which we'll add the flour mixed with baking powder and cocoa, keeping the mixer at a low speed continuously. Once mixed, transfer the mixture to a baking tray lined with baking paper. I'm using a 25 by 35 centimeter pan. Bake at 170 degrees until it passes the dry stick test, about 20 minutes. Stir and wait for it to boil and thicken, then set the cream aside to cool. In the meantime, dissolve 3 strawberry jellies in a liter of water. You also have other options you could use. Taste and set aside to cool, then we go back to the pudding mix. In a bowl, beat 200 grams of butter, preferably at room temperature, and we need to add the cooled pudding. It would be best if both the butter and pudding were at the same temperature to prevent the mix from curdling. We add spoon by spoon and mix until the ingredients combine. Our sponge cake is soaked with water and some lemon juice. We now put the prepared carpathian cream. Put it in the fridge to cool for approximately 15-30 minutes. Once our jelly cools down, we must add 300 g of fruit. They can be either fresh or frozen. Just remember that if frozen, they will set much faster. And when the jelly starts to thicken and the custard cream has cooled, we combine everything, spread it evenly, and place it in the fridge to cool, preferably for the whole night, and the cake is ready. It presents beautifully, tastes great. You must try making it. I highly recommend it.